Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to a simple guide on cooking ocean perch fillets. This mild, flaky fish is incredibly easy to prepare and absolutely delicious. It's a budget-friendly option too, perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a relaxed weekend meal. We'll show you 2 super easy ways to cook it, so you can enjoy this tasty fish at home. Before cooking, proper preparation makes all the difference. If your perch is frozen, make sure it's completely thawed first. Then, gently pat each fillet very dry with paper towels. This removes excess moisture, which helps the fish get a beautiful crust when it cooks. Finally, season generously with salt, pepper, and any other spices you love. A little garlic powder or paprika works wonders here. Pan-searing is a fantastic way to get a deliciously crispy exterior. Start by heating a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat with a little olive oil or butter. Once the pan is hot and shimmering, carefully place your seasoned fillets in. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on one side, until golden, then gently flip and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Your fish is perfectly done when it easily flakes with a fork. If you prefer a hands-off approach, baking is wonderfully simple. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease a baking dish, then arrange your seasoned perch fillets in a single layer. You can add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a small pat of butter on top for extra moisture and flavor. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes until the fish turns opaque and flakes easily. It's a beautifully tender way to cook. Once your ocean perch is cooked to perfection, the possibilities for serving are endless. It pairs wonderfully with steamed green beans, fluffy rice, or a crisp side salad. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice is often all you need to brighten its delicate flavor. Feel free to get creative with your favorite herbs, maybe a sprinkle of fresh dill or even a quick tartar sauce. Enjoy your delicious homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.